Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna paste you or show you how to apply for Kalodata promo code for TikTok Germany. So all you have to do is just log into Kalodata account, and if you have not signed up, you can use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata. And once you sign up on Kalodata, so you're gonna have 7 days free trial, which of course you can access different and navigate to from one place to another. So and once you are done with that, all you just have to do, click on the pricing at the top right here. So you see different pricing and you see which offer you actually want to buy. So if you want to go for the yearly plan, this is the exact amount you'll be paying, and if you want to go for the monthly plan, you click on monthly right here. Then you can then select which of this package you actually want to buy. So let's say you want to go for the starter plan, so click on buy. Then this option will pop up. You can see it right here. So all you just have to do, just inside this promo code right here, just apply must be right here. Then the promo code will be applied. So but then because I'm not from Germany, so the code is not actually working for me. But if you are from Germany and you use the link in the description to apply for this code, it's gonna work for you. Or you can just put in must be on the promo code right here. Then the promo code will apply to the original price, and then you have a price slash from 10% upward, like that, depending on which of the package you are actually going for. If not for the starter plan, if it's for the professional plan or for the enterprise plan, you can contact the customer support center to place order for the enterprise and then apply the must be to the promo code, and then you will be able to get a discount on your purchase. And if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, or if it doesn't work for you, you can let me know through the comment section, so I'll be aware of that and also try to look for an alternative to fix it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.